ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यासत्रिंशत् 30 अभ्यासभाग प्राक्टिस्। परन्तु प्रथमः किन्तु नियम 121। Yesterday we did not see this. Yesterday what we did see is dhatu plus san pratyaya is the same as dhatu plus tumun pratyaya plus ichha shabda. So pat dhatu plus san pratyaya will be pipatishu or pipatisha. That pipatisha, pat dhatu plus tumun pratyaya is patitum plus the shabda ichha, patitum ichha is pipatisha. The same thing is possible for all dhatus. Jighamsu, didrikshu, jignasu, shushrushu, chikirshu, anything. Shushrusha, srotum ichha, shushrusha. Vaktum ichha, vivaksha. All the kartum ichha, chikirsha. Everything we can do this same thing for sun and tumun. Now, niyama 121. They have given 2 sutras. Sanasham sabhiksha uhu. Sanasham sabhiksha uhu 3.268. 3.2.168. Sanasham sabhiksha uhu. And apratyayat. Apratyayat 3.3.102. These two are, this is no kind of new concept. This is very simple, what we already know actually. सभी सन प्रत्यय वाली धातुओं के अंत में ऊ या आ लगा देने विशेष और संज्ञा शब्द बनता है. सो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल जिज्ञासा शब्द, न्या धातु सन प्रत्यय वाली धातुओं विल बी जिज्ञासा. न्या धातु इज द धातु, न्या धातु प्लस सन प्रत्यय जिज्ञासा के अंत में ऊ. अगर जिज्ञासा इफ वी आर सेइंग सॉरी ऊ या आ, सो फर्स्ट वी आर टेकिंग ऊ, सो जिज्ञासु. If I want to say jignasu, this will become a visheshana, adjective, visheshana. So I will say jignasu, like the person, he is a jignasu, visheshana. Or if I say with a pratyay, jignasa, then it will become a sanya shabda, like all these shabdas, like bhobrit, maikshit, all this, and they have given, shushrusha, chikitsa, mimamsa, in that way it will become a sanya shabda. So the ukara makes it a visheshana and that akara makes it a sanya. Now, उकारंत के रूप पुरुष में पुल्लिंग में गुरुवत, स्त्रीलिंग में धेनुवत, नपुंसक में मधुवत. गुरुहु गुरु गुरवहा. In that way जिज्ञासुहु जिज्ञासु जिज्ञासवहा. In that way this will become dhenu for स्त्रीलिंग and नपुंसकलिंग madhu. So we have seen all three before. आकारांत के रूप रामावत. So this आकारांत, this thing is called tap. Today in Brihadaranyaka this came that gamita shabda had come. Gamita. So gamita is gam dhatu plus nich pratyaya. Nich pratyaya makes gami. Then nishtha pratyaya, that will make gamita. Nishtha pratyaya kta pratyaya, gamita. But it was a strilinga shabda, so that gamita became gamita. That akarante is called tap. T-A-P, tap. That akarante ke roop ramavat chalenge. हाँ जी.
Sorry, just repeat that akaranta shabda again.
Akaranta is gamita.
Akaranta is called what? You said something?
Tap. Ta, ip, tap. Ta,
so,
ip.
T-A-A-P. Like
Yes. Ta, a, ip. T-A-A-P, like that. So that is the Strilinga version. So like for example, This Gamita is Pullinga, and when you put ta, it will become Strilinga. Or like here, Akarante Keru, Jignasa in that way. Akarante Keru, Ramavat. But if it is Strilinga, because ta is for Strilinga. Please mute when not talking and unmute when talking. आकारांत के रूप रमावत. ऊ लगाने से कर्ता अर्थ हो जाता है. सो ऊ लगाने से कर्ता अर्थ, जैसे जिज्ञासु. सो जिज्ञासु इज कर्ता, जिज्ञासु. आर्तो जिज्ञासुर अर्थार्थी, कर्ता जिज्ञासु. आ लगाने से भाववाचक संज्ञा. सो आ लगाने जिज्ञासा, इफ आई वांट टू से, दैट विल बी इन भाववाचक. जिज्ञासा विल बी नाउन बट इन भाववाचक. So it will be like tena etc. will be used. The tritiya ekavachanam for karta. We have seen this karmavachya, kartravachya, bhavavachya. Like that bhavavachya. Astu abhyasa trimshat. Pratamaha udaharanakya. We will do all the Sanskrit ones and the Hindi ones we will see, the important ones we can do. This udaharanakya. हाँ, प्रथम सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु. भूभृत् कस्यचित्. I couldn't hear you.
So I struggled with this first one. See, this Bhubhrita is Raja. Bhubhrita is Raja or Parvata. I presume it means Raja.
Correct, Raja.
Raja. Then Kasich is someone, somewhere like that. But Mahikshato is Shashti Dvivachana.
Why? It is not Shashti Dvivachanam. Mahikshit Shabda will be like Bhubhrit Shabda. So Bhubhritaha is Shashti Ekavachanam.
Bhubhritaha, but it is Mahikshato.
So Mahikshitaha.
No, Mahikshato is
Visarga. It is not, Visarga is not there after the O, right? Where is the Visarga after the O? It is only Mahikshito. It is not Mahikshito ho. Mahikshito.
See, if you look at the 8th, that Sankhya 8.
Sankhya 8, Shabda Sankhya 8, yes.
So there, Bhubhritaha, Bhubhrito.
Bhubhritaha, Bhubhritoho. Right?
Bhubhritoho is Shashti Dvivachana.
Correct. Here what is it? Is it Mahikshitoho or Mahikshito?
Is Mahikshito.
There is no Visarga.
Yeah, but there is no Visarga. But I was not very clear how to interpret Mahikshito.
Mahikshitaha. We have seen through that one sutra, right? Earlier itself, that Echoyava, Engapadhantarati, or Echoyavaivaha, not Echoya, the Atorora Pritaratite. Visarga will become Okara. You remember that? Visarga. Can you hear me? Can you hear me well? I will change Wi-Fi if not. Can you hear me?
You're freezing a little bit. I can hear you, but
I'll change my Wi-Fi. Please give me a couple minutes. I will return it.
I can hear you very well, Akashji. But there is some sort of a fan noise.
That is from Sundarji's background. Yeah, the fan is from Sundarji's audio.
Because now it is so much better.
The fan in Sundarji's house is very, very active fan. Okay, so but if you are not able to hear me, I will change Wi-Fi. I will change the Wi-Fi if you are not able to hear me. So Sundarji, the question is, here there is no Visarga after the Okara. So Mahikshitoho, if it was, then it is Dvivachanam. But here there is no Visarga, it is only Mahikshito. So Mahikshito is the same as Mahikshitaha. We had seen this earlier, Atorora Plutadaplute. But of course in that context there was Avagraha because Swara Shabda was the second Shabda. It was starting with Swara. So here it is not swara, so there is no avagraha. Mahikshitaha. You know this, right? Like in all the stotras, etc. All the stotras, visarga becomes okara. Like arto jignasur artarthi. The one that you chanted. Chaturvidha bhajante mam janaha sukriti norjuna. Arto jignasur artarthi. That is artaha, right? Artaha, jignasuhu, artharthi, jnani. There are 4 types of people. So that artaha became arto. Like here, mahikshitaha becomes mahikshito.
Mahikshito. Okay, like even atato.
Athato, correct. Athato brahmajna, atha, ataha, right? Yes. Ataha has become ato. In that way, mahikshitaha has become mahikshito. So, bhubrit kasyachit mahikshitaha rajyam jigishati. Now, if you were to try.
Yeah, so, the king somewhere, the jigishati is the ji dhatu, right? To win, to jeetna.
Correct. Yes.
So therefore the king sometimes wants to win the Rajya.
Not sometimes. So, kasyachit mahikshitaha, some king. Kasyachit mahikshitaha, some king. So, bhubrit. There are 2 kings here, basically. One king.
So, one king.
Kisi raja se, from some king, he wants to win the Rajya. Rajyam jigishati. He is winning the Rajya. The first king.
He desires to. He desires to win the Rajya.
Jeetna chahta hai. Satya. Correct. He desires to. Correct. Jigishati. So Rajyam jigishati. Kasyajit mahikshitaha. Mahikshitaha from Shashti ekavachanam. Mahikshitaha. From some or of some mahikshita Raja. The first Raja, Bhubrit, Rajyam jigishati. He desires to win.
No, thank you. I got a bit confused with the Mahikshito.
You have to check for the Visarga.
It didn't strike me.
If it is Visarga, then it is Dvivachana, of course. But here there is no Visarga.
Yeah.
Astu. Bhavane Sundarji Kupyavatu, Tritiya.
Okay, third one. So third one, Marut Vayu.
Correct.
And Vati is also wind. It's like blowing. I think it's.
Blowing. Gachati. Gaman ka. Jane ka. Vati.
Yeah. Jana.
Or coming.
So Va is Jana.
Coming actually is better. Varut Vati. Araha. That is better. Blowing here.
Yeah. So therefore, this Marut, okay, Itaha Eva Cha. So therefore here, Itaha Eti.
I have a question here for open question. This Itaha Shabda, this came in the Dhatu, right? This had come in the Dhatu. Here we go. So lat lakara itaha is prathama purushe dvivachana. Eti itaha yanti. Right? This is prathama purushe dvivachana. I will leave this page. So I will go back. There is prathama purushe dvivachana. So once we go, so if we see, let's say for 30th class. 30th. Marudvati itaha eti cha. So eti is ekavachanam. Itaha is dvivachanam.
Correct. I know. I struggled with this exercise. I struggled a lot.
Itaha. So, what do you think?
No, I said, see, because the first word is Vayu and Hava Chalna, moving. So, the wind moves and then, I don't know, I couldn't make sense of this honestly.
Eti is to go. E is Jana. The dhatu. So, Eti, Latlakara Prathama Purusha Jana. Going. And Marut Vati coming. Bhayati, blowing. Itaha is from here. This came in one of the Purva Abhyasas. Kutaha, itaha, yataha, tataha, all these are like tatastato. Tataha, many times in Bhagavad Gita also Bhagavan says, tataha comes in many Upanishads. Tataha, from there. Because of that, therefore, in that way. Itaha, from here. Itaha, kutaha, tataha, yataha, that way itaha, not eti itaha. Both are itaha. They are confused. Itaha is from here. Marut, Vayu blows, and from here it goes. Itaha eti. अस्तु आभाजी कृपया वदतु द्वितीय विवक्षुः विपश्चित् किञ्चित् विवक्षति
जी विवक्षुः द वन हु वांट्स टू स्पीक या सो जो बोलने का इच्छुक है विपश्चित् किंचित विपश्चित इज विद्वान
करेक्ट
ओके बोलने का इच्छुक विद्वान
करेक्ट
किंचित कुछ विवक्षति बोलना चाहता है
बहु सम्यक परफेक्ट बोलने का इच्छुक विद्वान कुछ बोलना चाहता है सा ही वांट्स टू से समथिंग परफेक्ट दिस इज अ गुड एग्जांपल हाउ विवक्षुः इज यूज्ड एज अ विशेषण adjective for vipashchit vivakshuः if you were to say vivaksha it will become a sanya so vivakshuः is an adjective vivakshuः vipashchit किंचित विवक्षति सत्यम भवती एव कृपया वदतु चतुर्थ विपश्चित
एति इज वो जो ई धातु जाने के लिए
करेक्ट
सो विद्वान एति विद्वान जाता है
करेक्ट
सूर्य उदेति we spoke about this yesterday सूर्य उदित होता है शत्रु अपैति तो अपैति का अर्थ आई एम नॉट श्योर
ओके जाता है दूर जाता है ये गिवन राइट ऊपर दूर जाता है शायद दे हैड गिवन अप हाँ दूर होना यू सी अप प्लस ई धातु
दूर जाता है
सत्य दूर होता है दूर जाता है इसका अस्तु जिज्ञासुः भूभृत् परह्योत्र ऐत् ह्यो अगच्छच्छ सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु किमस्ति
which one
panchama
the panchama okay so therefore here is jigyasuhu bhubrita okay parahyotra eta okay so therefore a knowledgeable king a day before yesterday he went
jignasu bhubrit that is knowledgeable in the sense jignasuhu the one that wants
I mean wants to learn the king wishes to learn day before yesterday atra eta so therefore came here
the king who is desirous of knowledge came here day before yesterday yaha agachat
and hyo agachat so therefore and he day before came here and yesterday he left.
Correct. He left.
Agacha.
He came left. For one day. Jignasu Bhubrit. King desirous of knowledge came for one day. He came day for yesterday and left yesterday. Satyam. Bahu samyak. Saptama.
Saptama. Seventh. So seventh is Sushrushu Guroho Shushrushan Kuryat. So therefore, one who wants to listen, Shushrushu.
Satyam.
One who wants to listen, Guroho Shushrushan Kuryat. So therefore, towards the Guru, Guroho of the Guru. So that is in Shashti. Guroho. Guroho Shushrushan Kuryat. So to serve the Guru.
Satyam. He should. Kuryat vidhile. It is good for him to.
He should. Kuryat. He should.
So both meanings are here. Shrotumichuhu गुरोहो सेवा कुर्यात् बोथ आर अस्तु भवान् एव कृपया वदतु नवम
सो विपश्चित् विद्वान धर्मे इज सप्तमी सो इन धर्म मीमांसिष्यते So he would like to do Gambhira Vichara.
Correct. It is dharmam here, not dharme. Dharmam, that upasa, that anuswara they have put in before the repa, it should be after the repa, but it is dharmam. Dharmam, imam sishyate. Imam sishyate will be lang lakara. So lit lakara. Future.
Lit lakara. So in the future he would like to do Gambhira Vichara.
Correct. Chahega. He would like to, he wants to in the future. He will want to in that. Bahu samyak. So this 9 to 16, they are all the same. Abhaji kripya tu shashta.
Shashta is Sushrushu, Vipaschit, Shvaha, Eshyati. Eshyati will be future tense of eti, right? Jayega.
Correct.
Okay. So Sushrushu, जो सुनने का इच्छुक है या जो सेवा करने का इच्छुक है, can be either विपश्चितः विद्वान, श्वः एष्यति. Okay, I don't know the word श्वः.
श्वः is tomorrow.
I will see here tomorrow. Okay, we did put these yesterday, ना tomorrow. हाँ, तो कल जाएगा. सुनने का इच्छुक विद्वान कल जाएगा. परश्वो गमिष्यति च. परसों, then he is जाएगा, तो is this आएगा?
Yeah.
परसों आएगा और परसों आएगा.
आएगा श्वः. श्वः आएगा. Tomorrow, श्वः एष्यति. So this eti dhatu जाना का अर्थ में है, but it means the act of going somewhere. So coming is also actually going, in a sense, he is going from there to here. That is what we say is coming. From here to there, he is going. Both are this dhatu, e dhatu. E dhatu is the act of going in that way. So it can mean both ways. So here what they are
so
saying,
he will go.
He will come. Because Gamishyati is go. There is no doubt. Gamishyati is about going from here to there. Agamishyati is
he will come tomorrow and he will go back day after.
Correct.
His trips are all one-day trips. That much we have to understand.
Yes, he comes tomorrow and leaves day after. Correct.
Sannyasi cannot stay more than a day anywhere.
Shushrushuhu vipaschit. So this is the shrotum ichuhu vidwan. The vidwan who wants to listen, that vidwan will come. Astu, satyam, bahu samyak. Ashtama chikitsako.
चिकित्सको जिघान सुमपि चिकित्सति. So चिकित्सति करता है.
Correct.
चिकित्सा करता है.
करना चाहता है. He wants to चिकित्सा.
Okay. तो चिकित्सा करना चाहता है. चिकित्सको वैद्य, right?
वैद्य, सत्य. Or whoever wants to do, somebody who would like to do something. करने का इच्छु.
This is in the medical sense.
We can take from medical sense, correct? Because it says Jigamsu. Because of Jigamsu, we can take as a Vaidya. So,
yeah. So, Jigamsu mapi. But this is Jigamsu, to marne ka ichuk.
Marne ka ichuk.
So, this Vaidya is fixing somebody, want to fix somebody.
Vaidya in the sense it can be also mental Vaidya, like psychologist. But here, instead of forget the medical, just somebody who is going to do something.
Somebody who is interested in fixing someone else,
yes.
Wants to fix. Jighansu mapi is marne ka ichuk. So I'm not able to fit this here.
Okay. So chikitsa you can just take as kartum ichuhu. We don't have to take this chikitsalaya and this chikitsa and that way we don't have to take. Here we can just say kartum ichuhu. So kartum ichuhu marne ka ichuk ko bhi.
Marne ka ichuk.
Ko bhi api. Jighansum api. मारने का इच्छुक को भी कुछ करना. वो व्यक्ति की भी चिकित्सा करना चाहता. He wants to do चिकित्सा. In that way you can.
Okay.
So this way it will become, it can be a medical sense also, or you can take in any other sense. But he wants to do something, whatever he is doing. That's all. Kartum ichha chikitsa.
He's so noble that he wants to help anybody. Even the one who is मारने का इच्छुक उसकी भी चिकित्सा करना चाहता है.
Whether he is noble or an evil, that is up for debate. But yes, he wants to do that. Like this person who wishes to do something, he is going to help even the person who is hurting somebody in that way. He is going to do something for that person. Jigansum api chikitsati. So you can say in, like for example, in the war zone, like there are like these emergency medical specialists, you can say those people, they can be like an emergency nurse or a paramedic or a doctor or whatever. Those people jigamsum api in the war as well. It doesn't matter who you treat, etc. So that also can be here. But you can just take chikitsa as kartum icha. In that way, it will just be, he wants to do whatever, whether good or bad or whatever he is doing. That. Astu, final Abhaji Bhavati Kripayavato Dashama. Chikirshu. Here you see Chikirshu Kartumichu. So Chikitsa you have to take as medical. So you are correct. Because Chikirshu they have given separate.
Chikirshu कार्य चिकीर्षु.
Chikirshu.
Sorry. चिकीर्षु कुछ करने का इच्छुक कार्य करना चाहता है.
Correct. कुछ करने का इच्छुक.
चिकीर्षु.
So
करना चाहता है.
Yes, correct.
Is that the right text?
Correct. Yes, it is correct. So चिकीर्षु is कर्तुम इच्छुः. So जो करने का जो इच्छु है वो कुछ कार्य करने चाहता है, करना चाहता चाहिए. वैसे लोट लकार चिकीर्षतु करना चाहे, I guess चाहे लोट लकार. So because चिकीर्षु is कर्तुम इच्छु, you have to take चिकित्सु as medical professional. So here it is a medical professional.
आरोग्य related.
Yes. Because here
in rural India they call it chikitsalaya.
Chikitsalaya
all the
only
hospitals
they
that call it chikitsalaya.
But here, see, if there is a jigamsu, basic translation will be that. If you want to complicate, then we can find something else. But basic translation is what you said, Sundari, and what Abhaji said, that is correct. That is chikitsakaha, a person who is in the hospital, working in the hospital. Jigamsum api chikitsati. So jigamsu is marne ka ichchuk. So marne ka ichchuk can be in hospital, in the village, in the war zone, wherever. Marne ka ichchuk. So just the basic translation will be chikitsaka marne ka ichchuk ko chikitsa karna chahta hai. Because they have given chikitsakaha, it is pullinga. If it were strilinga, they would have given chikitsaka. So if it was strilinga, we can say chikitsaka, jigamsu chikitsa.
Sorry. So ekdam very plain translation is doctor would even
is not ekdam basic plain.
Api. तो murderer को भी medical care देना चाहता है.
बस इतना ही है. जिगामसुम अपि, the person who wants to do marna, that is मारने का इच्छु, उसको भी जिगामसुम अपि, उसको भी चिकित्सति. So it does not see who is who, etc. That's what they want to say. Jigamsum api chikitsati. This same way all the sentences are going to be. Chikitsati, imam sishyati, sishyate, that is lakara, chikirshatu, lot lakara, jignaseta, idhiling, didrikshate, pipasati, titirshati, eti, all five are given. So we can just quickly see. Jignasu, dharmam jignasate. Jignasu, person who is desirous of knowledge. This Jignasu, dharmako, because it is karma. Dharmako, he wants to know dharma. Didrikshuhu, mahikshitam, didrikshate, same. The person who wants to see, didrikshato, he wants to see the Raja. He wants to see Mahikshita. Pipasu jalam pipasati.
Sorry, the jigyaseta, it is not Atmanipada.
Jignasate will be Atmanipada. Jignaseta. Like
seveta, like we have seveta.
Sevate is Atmanipada. Seveta is Vidili. Sevate versus seveta. Ekara is about te.
So this is स्वयं देखना चाहता है versus किसी और को दिखाना चाहता है. That is how परस्मैपद and आत्मनेपद is.
हाँ, यस, देखना चाहता है मतलब स्वयं कुछ he wants to do for himself is atmanepada. That is for the sake of oneself. For the sake of generally some external, it can be any external, not just a person. It can also be some napumsakalinga shabda also. Then also it will be like gacchati shabda. Gacchati is to nagaram, nagaram gacchati. That is not no person is involved, something external. That is all. Or you can say agamyate, he wants to come for his own sake. That we can say agamyate. But you say gachati, he is going. Where is he going? Nagaram gachati. He is going to the city. In that. It doesn't have to be a person.
So my question was, Sundar ji ka jo question tha, that meant jignaset is he swayam want to see.
Jignaseta.
Jignaseta.
Jignaseta is not want to see as such, it is within want to see. He should want to see.
Should want to see. Within want to see. He should want to see. But if it has been the other form, so my question was around, if it is a parasmai pada form, that means he will be making somebody else want to see.
No. So jignaseta is parasmai pada only. Jignaseta is parasmai pada vidhiling. When you search, for example, in Ashtadhyayi you see, they used to say Ashtadhyayi, Dhatu Pata, Nya Dhatu.
I do get a bit confused between these two words, Atmani Pada and Parasmai Pada. Those haven't sunk in there.
There is no confusion. So for example, Atmani Pada is when there is only yourself. Like for example, the general example they give is Sevate. Seva Dhatu is done for the sake of oneself, effectively. So that seva or bhakshana, bhakshyate, you can say. You are eating for the sake of your own self. But if you were to say, I am talking to someone, you will say, vadati, parasmai pada. Parasmai pada generally, instead of this, you can also take, in the basic sense, what they generally say, Parasmai pada is passive, active voice, and Atmane pada is for oneself. Not passive, for oneself. So this way you can take. He is doing his Parasmai pada. Atmane pada will be he is doing for oneself in that sense. So for example, this is the general example. Seva dhatu. There will be other examples. Like right here you see in the beginning itself, Ed dhatu to grow. The second dhatu. Ed dhatu, Ed vridhau, bhadigana, Atmane padi. To grow, to prosper, to swell. You cannot grow somebody else. That will make nich pratyaya. You have to grow for yourself. So it is Atmanipada. But you see the bhudatu, to be, to exist, to be, that is all external, something different. So it is Parasmai.
Sorry, just a trivia on this topic. Atmanastu kamaye sarvam priyam bhavati. Ultimately it will all kamaya. So ultimately it will all come to Atmani pada only. There cannot be any Parasmai pada.
Yes, well, yeah. But then when we mix Vyakarana and Vedanta, we'll have lots of Purupakshas will come. Yes.
Sorry.
Yes. Right. Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. In that way, everything is for oneself alone. So it will all be only Atmanepadi. But here the major difference is this in Vyakarana. Parasmai pada versus Atmane pada. Generally Parasmai pada will be like vadati, gacchati, khadati, kridati, all being involve something external. And Atmane pada will be like Ed dhatu, spardh dhatu, all this is oneself. Even Bad dhatu they have given, oneself, Nad. This will take a little practice, but there are good explanations. I will share maybe one explanation with you on Parasmai Pada versus Atmane Pada. There is a good website for this. I'll share that link with you with examples, etc. But generally, it is about for what purpose am I doing this? Am I doing this for some external purpose or something or someone other than this karta, or if that person is doing for their own sake, then it is Atmane. And each dhatu is either in the case in the example of doing for oneself or doing for others, and there are many dhatus which are both. This is the meaning.
Like even the examples that we are seeing here in front, to exist, to become, this is for one's own self, right? This cannot be for somebody else.
No, to become.
I exist.
No, it doesn't have to be for somebody else alone. It can also be for something else, somewhere else. For example, when you say gacchati, okay, you can say gacchami. You just say gacchami. Aham Pune nagaram gacchami. You can say. You are going to Pune, but you are not going to say aham gamyate or gamye. You will not say, well, I am not going like, I am going to Pune, right? It is an external thing. There is nobody else involved here. But there is just something external. So it need not be only somebody else, something else, somewhere else, somehow else, whatever. And to become is something else than what you are already. To become. Bhudhatu as such way we exist, I am existing as myself, that is from our Vedanta Jnana, but from Vyakarana, when you want to become or to happen, you see they have given to happen, to be, to become, all this involves something external, something other than what that subject already is. That way you can take.
Okay.
You don't have to take as yourself. Like there is something, to happen is not that, to happen is something else. So then it is parasmaya. It is other than the karta. That is.
And also it is not always active passive, because all the examples we saw, यहाँ पे कोई भी passive tense नहीं
Active
था.
passive more will come in terms of the karmavachya kartrivachya. Kartrivachya can be active and karmavachya can be little passive. Like that you can say. Here, Atmanepada Parasmaipada is for the sake of self and other. Sorry if I said something else before. Active and passive we don't have to confuse here. Parasmay and Atmane you can just take for the sake of other and self.
Okay, thanks.
I think I said some active passive voice in the middle. That is wrong. I said something else. Coming back to here. So all this they have given Jignasu Dharma. This is where it began. Jignaseta is Parasmaipada Vidhiling. Sevate. You see the difference? Sevate and Seveta. They are different. Seveta Parasmaipada Vidhiling. Sevate Atmanepada Lat. So these are the difference. Here it is Jignaseta. So it is not Jignasate. Jignaseta. So Parasmaipada Vidhiling. Jignasu Dharamam Jignaseta. Didrikshuhu wants to see king. Person who wants to see the king. Person who wants to drink milk, water. Person who wants to cross Ganga. Person who wants Vipaschit, Vidwan, Tatra, Eti Lat, Etu Lot, Yat Vidhiling, Ait Lang, and Eshyati Rit. 5 lakaras they have given. Kasmaichit Shushrusha Rochate. Kasmaichit Shushrusha Rochate. Rochate enjoys. Shushruta. Shushrusa Seva.
Listening.
Seva. Yeah.
Listening.
Here you
Okay,
take
Seva.
You can also take as listening. Listening to somebody is nice. Doing seva for someone is nice. That. सेवा करना अच्छा है. रोचते अच्छा है. शुश्रूषा सेवा करना अथवा श्रोतुम इच्छा also. So shrotum ichha is also nice. Wanting to listen to somebody is nice. Or doing seva for someone is nice. Both.
Wanting to do seva for somebody is also nice.
Can we just quickly just cover the 4 words like kasyachit, kinchit, kenachit, those just exactly what they mean in English.
So kaschit is kahachit, this is karta. Pratama Purusha.
Which one?
Kaschit. Kaschit, kaha we say, right? Who is there? Saha is he. So kaha is who, some whoever. Kaschit. Kinchit, whatever. Kim is what? Chit, whatever. Kinchit, whatever. Kasmaichit, someone, or of course you cannot say whoever, that will be kasyachit. Kasmaichit, of someone, for someone. in that way is kasmaichit, because kasmai is chaturthi vibhakti. Kenachit tritiya vibhakti. So it will be bhavane vavatu Sundarji. Kasmaichit is for someone. Kahachit is someone.
Kenachit will be then through someone.
Correct.
Say dwara.
Simple.
By whom?
By someone.
Kena sabse is Kena Upanishad.
Correct.
By whom does this work?
Kena is tritiya ekavachanam. So by, through, whoever. By, through, both are correct in tritiya. Panchami vibhakti will be
Kasmat.
Kasmat. Kasmat will be
Kasmat from somebody.
From who will be kasmat. From where will be, that will be kasmat. Kasmaichit you can say. Kasmaichit kasmat. And shashti will be kasyachit.
Kasyachit.
Of whoever. Of whoever. That will be kasyachit. Because of is shashti ekavachanam. Kasmai, there is one easy way to find this. This idam shabda that we had seen earlier, idam and others and all, that idam shabda has all these things. Kahachit, kenachit, kasmai, asmat, asya, all that. You can just say ka and just put chit. It is whoever, by someone, for someone, all this. Kasmai chit, for someone. Kenachit, through someone, by someone, or through something. So tat kena kam pashyet. If I want to say sarvam atmaiva bhut, tat kena kam pashyet. Kena, by what? Kam, what? Object. Dvitiya ekavachanam. Kena kam pashyet. By what will I see what? Kena kam pashyet. What can be seen? By what? Kena. So kenachit will be by someone. Kanchit, someone in dvitiya ekavachanam. Kaschit, prathama ekavachanam. In that. Is that okay?
I'm muting myself because it's pouring rain here, and on my roof you'll hear a lot of noise.
Okay. So this
Kaha
is
was also
Kaha will be?
Kaha is who,
Correct. So whoever will
and
be
also
Kaschit.
also who?
Sorry, second one, what did you say?
Kasmat.
Kasmat, from Panchami. From who? Kasmat, from where? Kasmat, from what? From what do you understand that? Kasmat iti jnanamasti. From where have you understood this? In that way you can ask. Kasmat.
Okay. And Kasmaichit was for somebody.
Chaturthi ekavachanam. Kasmai.
Okay. Various forms of the same, as you said, if we look at the...
Yes.
So Pratipadika would be idam, and then uske sare vibhaktis haenge.
Correct. You know, for example, this today in Tikakara had asked, he had said, Kim Shabdena Sarva Prashnani Akshepa Asti or something. Kim Shabda he used. For Kaha, Kena, Kasmai, Kasya, everything, he said Kim Shabda. So it is like that. It is all one Mula Shabda and then there are so many forms. Okay, we have to finish this in about 10 minutes. One we can do because they are all very simple. सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु बालक पढ़ना चाहता है.
So बालक पढ़ना चाहता है. So it can be बालः पिपठिष्यति.
बहु सम्यक. पिपठिष्यति और पठितुमिच्छति. वक्तुमिच्छति विवक्षति.
पठितुमिच्छति विवक्षति वक्तुमिच्छति. Then shushu.
Akarji, are you aware or not? But you are completely frozen. We can't hear you.
Acha, I am going to. Can you hear me or can you not see me?
Actually, I can see you and hear you surprisingly at the moment.
Okay. So all the Wi-Fi's around the world have the problems maybe. Can you see me or hear me now? I hope yes. Abaji, am I okay? Audible? Viewable?
Abaji is frozen.
We'll come back. Yes. You are frozen G. Am I still frozen, Abhaji? Can you hear me now?
See, I can hear you, so I'm presuming
Yes.
your link is all right.
Yes.
I think Abaji's
Yeah,
side
she will
is
come
in
back.
some
Maybe
place.
she is able to hear. She may come back with a different Wi-Fi. That's anyway. बालक पढ़ना चाहता है पठितुम इच्छति पिपठिष्यति. बोलना वो चाहता है वक्तुम इच्छति विवक्षति.
Vivakshati and Vaktum Ichchati.
And श्रोतुम is
Vaktum Ichchati.
Shushru.
Seva is Shushrushu.
correct.
So therefore Shushru, so it will be Shushrushati or it should be Shushru
Correct.
Sheta. Shushrushati.
You can say
Shati.
Shushruseta. Correct. You can say Shushrusheta because Atmanepada Seva. Seva ke arth will be in Atmanepada. That is a wonderful.
Yeah.
That is a good observation. Absolutely. Shushrusheta. Shushrushate. Sorry. Shushrusheta is Vidile. Shushrushate.
Shushrushati. Yeah, correct.
And करना चाहता है कर्तुम
And
इच्छति
कार्य करना चाहता है चिकीर्षति.
चिकीर्षति. सत्य. So
चिकीर्षति.
in the same way तैरना चाहता है, जानना चाहता है, पीना चाहता है, everything is the same. So for example तितीर्षति.
So दान देना चाहता है would be diditsati.
दित्सति. Correct. दित्सुः दित्सति.
Diditsati.
तितीर्षति, जिज्ञासते, पिपासति, दित्सति, धित्सति, लिप्सते. In this one, all these are the same. लभ धातु लिप्सति. राजा
I
बुभृक्षति.
also
हाँ.
yeah, that was okay, but that मारना चाहता है is that we already have that
जिघांसति.
जिघांसति. But the other one, मरणासन को देखना चाहता है. So Maranasan means he wants to see that person dead, is it? Maranasati, is it like that? Is it?
हाँ. Yeah, this is a bit weird. मरणासन्न को देखना चाहता है. Where is this? Here, right? मरणासन्न को मुमुर्षु. So for the mumurshu, he wants to see the mumurshu, the one that is about to die. You can say the dying person. You have to take it in that way.
Bhishma Pitamaha ko Sharashaya par
Yes.
everybody wanted to see.
You have to
like
take
that.
in that context. The one that is dying in that way.
So therefore, देखना चाहता है, it will be mumurshaiti. Mumurshaiti is the dead person or the dying person.
Mumurshu is the dying person. देखना चाहता है didrikshati.
Didrikshati. So you have to say here mumurshuhu didrikshati.
Mumurshum. Mumurshum because Dvitiya ekavasya, object. Bhubrit, Mumurshu,
Others
Didrikshati.
want to see the dying person.
Now, Raja wants to see dying person. Bhubrit, Mumurshum, Didrikshati.
When others want to see the dying person, it would be mumurshum. When the dying person wants to see others, it would be mumurshuhu.
Yes, correct. Exactly. It depends on who the karta is. You are correct. Yes.
Exactly.
Depends on karta. Karta will be in Prathama Ekavachanam. If I want to see that person, then it will be Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Satyam. Exactly. So Mumurshuhu Didrikshati will be person, dying person wants to see. And Mumurshum Didrikshati wants to see the dying person. Bit, what's the word?
Awkward.
Yeah, there is a word which it's not coming to me.
Okay, just to
Morbid.
complete that.
Yeah, bit morbid. Anyway, धन लेना चाहता है ग्राह धातु जिगृक्षति it will become. And Raj.
I was thinking.
हाँ. And Raj जीतना चाहता. They had given, right? They had given earlier in that niyama. They had given graha
No,
dhatu.
they had not mentioned
Here.
Krish.
No, you see here.
Gra-
Jigrikshati.
Yeah, they had given Jigrish.
Jigrikshati.
Oh, Dan had come yesterday.
दान दित्सति.
Yeah.
एंड धन लेना चाहता है वी साथ राज्य जीतना चाहता है राज्यम जिगीषति.
Chikishati. Yeah.
This is all quite easy. हाँ, आभाजी कृपया वदतु चतुर्थ चिकित्सा again.
चिकित्सक मरणासन्न की चिकित्सा करना चाहता है.
हाँ.
चिकित्सकः
हाँ.
मरणासन्नं
मुमुर्षुम्
मरणासन्नं मुमुर्षुं. हाँ, ओके, या. चिकित्सकः मुमुर्षुं चिकित्सा करना चाहता है. चिकित्सति.
सत्यं, बहु सम्यक्. In the same way, this will be भोजन भुज धातु. So बुभुक्षते, भोक्तुमिच्छा बुभुक्षा, बुभुक्षते. सत्य पर विचार, सत्यम मीमांसयति, मीमांसते it will be, because he wants to do, this will be आत्मनेपद, मीमांसते, सत्यम मीमांसते. And पापों को छोड़ना, so पापानि, पापानि मुमुक्षति, मुच धातु, मुमुक्षु, जैसे मुमुक्षति. मोक्षुम इच्छुः मुमुक्षुः, मोक्ष इच्छा मुमुक्षा, मोक्ष इच्छत्वम मुमुक्षुत्वम. All you can say from मुच धातु only, मुच धातु. किसी को शुश्रूषा, किसी को चिकित्सा, किसी को धर्म की मीमांसा. अहम वदामि, because we are going little time, we don't have that much. पंचम, किसी को शुश्रूषा will be कस्मैचित् शुश्रूषा, कस्मैचित् चिकित्सा, कस्मैचित् धर्मस्य मीमांसा, कस्मैचित् सत्यस्य जिज्ञासा, रोचते च. सिंपल. षष्टम, वह परसों आया, सो सः परश्वः, परह्यः एति, और ऐत् you can say, or you can say आगच्छत्, आया था, आगच्छत्. and कल गया, ह्यः अगच्छत्. मैं कल जाऊंगा, अहम श्वः गमिष्यामि, और हाँ, अहम श्वः आयिष्यामि you can say, और एष्यामि, एष्यामि और एष्यामि, गमिष्यामि, गमिष्यामि. and परसों, परश्वः पुनः आऊंगा, परश्वः पुनः आऊंगा, आगमिष्यामि. सुनने का इच्छुक, सुनने की इच्छा करें, सो शुश्रूषुः, शुश्रूषुः, शुश्रूषताम, करे, करे will be विधिलिंग, or even लोट you can take, कर शुश्रूषताम here. जल पिए, so पिए is लोट. पिपासतु, जानना चाहे, जानना चाहे, जिज्ञासताम, चाहे, so विधिलिंग you can take, और जिज्ञासतु. और तैरने का इच्छुक, तैरने का इच्छुक, तितीर्षताम, और तितीर्षत. ई धातु, सूर्य उदयते, सूर्य उदेति, सः एति, सः अपैति, सः ऐति, सः अपैति. देन वह जाता है, सः गच्छति, और एति, सः एति. एंड अहम एमि, बहूनाम एमि प्रथमो, नचिकेता से मैं जाता हूँ. वह जाए, स गच्छतु, और एतु, तू जा, त्वं गच्छ, और त्वं, I have to see this book for this. इहि, हाँ, त्वं इहि, correct, त्वं इहि. and मैं जाऊँ, अहम आयम, आयम लंग लकार, sorry, मैं जाऊँ will be लोट only, so अहम आयानि. and वह गया, सहा, here it is मैं गया, here it is मैं आयम, अहम आयम, अहम आयानि, सहा, सहा ऐत्, ऐत् you can take. and तू गया, त्वं ऐहि. in this way this whole thing will end. जिज्ञासति, शुश्रूषति, दिदृक्षति नास्ति. all these are atmanepada. So some will be parasmanepada, some will be atmanepada. We have to know that. Bubrushati, didasati, lilapsati, all three are wrong. Vivakshati, ditsati, lipsati. K ko lot lak long vidling lit. We had done this already here, right here. Tatra eti eti. And you can take the same for here. Jata hai, you can take all these five. Eti, etu, balaka eti, balaka etu, balaka ya, balaka ait, balaka eshit. इनके पूरे रूप लिखो. भूभृत मैक्षित विपश्चित मरुत. You have to see this later. ई धातु के दसों लकार के पूरे रूप लिखो. You have to see later. क्रियादिगण के विशेषता बताओ. क्रियादिगण की विशेषता किम अस्ति? कोऽपि स्मरति वा? न. करेक्ट. श्ना विकरण प्रत्यय ना विकरण अस्ति. अस्तु. सन प्रत्यय लगाकर इन धातुओं को दसों लकार के पूरे रूप लिखो. पूरे रूप नहीं लिखना है. ब्रू विवक्षति. विवक्षा, शुश्रूषा, चिकीर्षा, Jihirasha. In that way we can take all these things. Mumursha. Okay, so just to finish, Mumursha, Titirsha, Pipasa, Ditsa, Dhitsa, Jignasa, Pipatisha, Lipsa, Didriksha, Jighamsa, Suswapsa. I think this is Suswapsa. This is that Jigriksha. Jigishati nasti. What is this? Jigishati. Jigisha. Kit dhatu. Kitsa. I think they had given, right? This had come right in the beginning. And bhuj dhatu. Bhubuksha. Kit dhatu they had given here only. Cannot. Maybe you can take chikitsa. Kit dhatu they had given. We'll have to check. Ashtadhyayi.com. We'll quickly check Kit Dhatu. So here to check, there is a trick. So go to Dhatu pattern, Kit, right? Kit Dhatu, this to know or to understand, Kit Dhatu, and you just say Sananta. Sananta Kartari. Chikiti Shati. Not Chikitsati. Chikiti Shati. This is Kit Dhatu. And Kri Dhatu is Chikitsati. In that. अस्तु. वाक्य बनाओ. च की उपरियुक्त धातुओं के सन्नंत रूप बनाकर उनमें अंत में उ या आ लगाकर उनका वाक्य का प्रयोग करो. जैसे विवक्षुः विवक्षा. अच्छा, च का ये सब का. सो वी जस्ट डू वन. सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु श्रु धातु.
Shushrushu would be, so if you are doing Shushrushu, which means to do that seva.
Or to listen.
So, seva ka ichu. So, therefore, Shishya.
This actually
Guru
I wanted to
Shushrush.
address because Abaji also said this indirectly. Shushrusha is either Shrotumicha or Seva, not Sevitumiccha. Seva, that is all.
Seva.
Not
Oh.
Icha. Icha is only for Shrotum.
Okay. So therefore you can still say in Shishyaha Guru Shushrusu
Yes.
from the viewpoint that they would like to listen.
Exactly.
Icha hai to listen. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's fine.
Guruhu.
Okay,
Guruhu,
and then
you will have to say Guru.
Shushrushta.
How will you complete that?
No, so you have to say Guru. So because it's Karmavachya in that Dvitiya Vibhakti, you have to say. Dvitiya Vibhakti. And then Shushrusha is Sangya. So Sangya. So you can say that
Shushrushati.
Shushrusha Samichinam Karyam Asti. It's a good job to do.
Shushrushati bas. Shushrushati. Saha Gurum Shushrushati. Simple.
Yeah.
Either he does seva or he has Shrotum Icha. Bas. Abaji कृपया तो न्या धातु. Sentence with न्या धातु.
Sentence with nya dhatu.
हाँ.
Jignasate. That's the one, right? Jignasa.
Yes. There are very easy ways to say this.
Jignasu
Asmi. Correct. That is the easy sentence. Aham jignasu asmi. Simple. And you can say Jignyasurasmi through, if you were to say Jignasuhu to Jignasurasmi, Sandhi is a bit hard.
Jignasurasmi. Okay.
Jignasuhu Asmi will become Jignasurasmi. Rakara will come through that Sasajusho Ruhu Sandhi. Jignasurasmi.
But if I was to make a sentence, I would really like to say it is nice to be Jignasu. One must always be Jignasu so they can learn and grow. पर इतना संस्कृत में कैसे बोले?
Okay, one must always be Jignasu.
This is a quite pity what to make.
Satatam Jignasuhu. Bhudhatu Vidhiling. So Bhudhatu Vidhiling, it is good to be, you said, right? You said it is good to be Jignasu. So Saha Satatam Jignasuhu Bhavet. Bhavet, it is good to be. Bhavet. And then you said it is good to grow or learn. Tataha.
So we grow.
So
we constantly grow.
Tataha Vayam Spardishyamaha. Easy. Satatam.
Yeah.
Satatam Jignasa. You can use Nishna Pratyaya here. Rakhe, you can say.
Jignasavan ya Jignasavat.
Jignasu.
Can we use words like that?
Jignasu. Why van? Jignasu. Jignasu Riti Bhavet. Or Vayam you said. So Bhavema. Jignasu. Jignasavaha Bhavema. Jnanam. Jnanena Spardishyamaha. Done. We should be Jignasu and grow with Jnana. We will grow with Jnana.
Is this a sentence? Jignasuvan Jnanam Labhate?
Why Jignasuvan? Jignasu.
Jignasu. Okay.
Jignasuhu Jnanam Labhate. Satyam. Bahu samyak. Jnanam Labhate. Bhagavan says, right?
That's decent.
That is only coming in 4th chapter of Gita. Shraddhavan Labhate Jnanam. So instead of Shraddhavan, you are saying Jignasu.
Jignasu.
Jignasu Labhate.
Sorry, one final question.
Hanji.
On the exercise itself.
On the exercise itself.
See, on the exercise.
Yes.
Page. Sorry, I'll just read it out here. Okay, it's come up here. So, when we say here, like, Didasati, etc., from that Ashuddha to Shuddha, it becomes Ditsati.
Correct.
Now, Lipsati, it becomes Lipsate. So, I'm trying to understand why not Lipsati? Why is
Labhate.
it becoming
Who gets love?
Lipsate?
Who gains? If I do, I gain. I am gaining. Atmanipada.
I gain. So this is Atmanipada.
Correct. Labhadatu. I gain. Love. Lips. So if you had to say we were all gaining, that will also be this only. Lipsami, lipsa, lipse, lipsavahe, lipsamahe. That will become. Sevate, sevate, sevante, seve, sevate, sevadve, seve, sevavahe, sevamahe. In that way, lipsamahe. We will all gain. In that.
Okay.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shantihi 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakaro Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gurudatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Gamodyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah Om Shantihi 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 Om